Hello again. Now, I have got all the constituent bits from this accordion, well nearly all of them. I've got one more bit here. So I've got the treble side, and on this I haven't done anything to the pallets. I've just checked the position of the pallets and just bent one of the arms a little bit just to get it sitting properly. And I've just cleaned up the keys, just made that nice, so that's fine. I've got the bellows that I've just been working on, so they're looking a whole lot better. I've got the 3 reed blocks, so 2 for the treble side and there's one for the bass side that came out, and then obviously in the bass side there's 1 reed block that was stuck in. So the next thing is just to put it together and just to see what it sounds like. And so I'm not expecting it to be perfect in any way. There's going to be things to do, but I just want to get a feel for the I have put bellows gasket on the bellows, but I just want to get a feel for how things are going. So first thing I'll do is I'll put the bass reeds in. So let's put these in. So these are the bass reeds, and I've got a little pencil mark on here, a little tiny line there, a little line there, so I just know which way around without having to work it all out. And so I've got all my little screws and things, so let's put these back in. A couple of little washers and these little funny little nut things which are very common on these German accordions. It's important to I don't like that one. Important to get them nice and tight so that you've got as good a seal as you can get. Actually, before I do that, I have one thing. I just want to check something. There's some little nuts just attaching to the bottom. And actually, I think I've checked it before, but just making sure that they're nice and secure, but they are. I think I checked this before, so let's go back to where we were. Alrighty. Right, let's get these on. Now these little bolts sticking out here, they have got paint on them, which is a common thing to stop them from coming undone. But sometimes it can mean it's a bit harder to get them done up. That one's alright, but this one's a bit stiff, I think. So oh yeah, that's better. So I'm just going to get those on. Snug them up. Go. So that's the bass side all put together. So let's put the treble side reed blocks in. And again, I'll mark these so that I knew which one went where. So just by putting a little line. Hopefully I did anyway. Yes, I did. So that one's going to go there. I mean, I can work it out anyway, but it just saves me messing about just by putting a little mark. There we are, so they're going to be sitting like that. And then I can put the screws back on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And again, it's important to get these nice and secure. And this is quite an exciting thing, really. Well, I find it exciting because you put all the work into the reeds and the bellows and different things, and then you can see your work as it's gone. Now, one thing I just realised, there's 2 washers missing, so just let me just find those washers. There's 2 that I need to find. Okay, there we are. So I've just got the treble side V-blocks, and I just have to find a couple of washers because they'd gone missing, but I've got something there now. Right, next step is to start putting it together. So I'm going to get the bass side up first. Okay, and have the that way, and I'm going to do that, because I've made some little marks to say which way the bellows are going to go. Now we get the pins. Now as usual, I've got my pins in my little block, so I know which ones go which. So we're going to do the bass ones, so we're going to do these 2 here. Now because I've put some new bellows gasket on, I'm going to just have to compress down a little bit, because you've got just a bit of a thicker kind of spongy bit, if you like. So whilst I'm just to kind of compress that down, because the other one would have been a little bit thinner, and it would have got. So by doing that, I've managed to just compress that bellows gasket down. Let's go for the other ones. So here, give it a little push, a little compress. There we go. And this one. Just push it a little bit. Okay, great. So that's the bass side on. Looking nice. So let's get the treble side up. And again, because of the bellows gasket, I'm just going to do a careful bit of compressing down of that gasket. Be a bit careful on this side because you've got to keep the mechanisms. There we go. And this one. Perfect. Squeeze in. Lovely. So it's all looking quite nice. I'm quite pleased with this. No idea what it sounds like. This is the fun bit. Oh, there's it going in quite nice, which is good. Just compression. There we go. Perfect. There. Brilliant. Whoosh. Alrighty. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the accordion. Now, one thing I haven't put on is the grill. I'll put that on at the end because just in case I need to do any work on the pallets or anything else, I'll just leave that off. Now it's quite a delicate bit to have on anyway, so keep it out of the way, keep it safe, and it doesn't get damaged is a good thing. So I'll just leave it there. Right, woohoo! Let's give this a little test and see what happens. So I just touch that. Leave it down a little touch. Right, I've no idea. I'm hoping it might sound okay. We'll soon find out. One thing I do know is that these straps are not designed for someone like me. Oh my god. Oh right, okay. First thing is the compression is good. Okay, and that's improved from the last time. That is quite tight. Okay, let's have a look at the sound. sounds alright. Let's play a bit of that with, I just made that up, I was quite pleased with that. Let's do it with a bit of bass. Wow, blinking heck. That sounds lovely. Wow. I'm really pleased. So this sounds really great. It does a little does need a little bit of tuning, but it's got a nice tremolo sound. So a few bits and bobs to do, so I'm going to tune at the treble and bass sides, but it doesn't sound like it needs much. I'm quite happy with the compression, so that feels nice. What else? Yeah. Good. So what I'll do then in the next video, I'll start to tune up the treble side. But that's quite nice, just to get a feel for this accordion, and yeah, great stuff. All right, so I'll leave it there just for a minute. And I'll, in the next video, it's getting onto the tuning, but there we are. Thanks for watching.